Hey everyone, welcome back. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to remove or undo a repost on Instagram in 2025, and we'll also talk about how this new repost feature works, so you don't accidentally share posts you didn't mean to. Instagram recently introduced a repost button that lets you share someone else's post directly to your profile. It's a cool feature, but many people tap it by accident and end up reposting something without realizing it. Luckily, removing a repost is super easy. Here's what you need to do. 1. Open the Instagram app and go to your profile. 2. You'll notice a new repost section next to your regular posts and reels. Scroll through and find the post you want to remove. Tap on that post to open it. At the bottom right, just below the comments, you'll see the repost icon, the same button you originally pressed to share it. Simply tap that button again. As soon as you do, the post will instantly disappear from your repost section. No extra menus, no complicated steps. Pro tip, since there's currently no setting to disable the repost button completely, make sure to double check before tapping it in the future, especially when scrolling quickly. And that's it. If you found this helpful, don't forget to hit like, share it with your friends, and subscribe for more Instagram tips and tricks.